Welcome to Emergency Care caredentalspa. I have a VA patient here, and he is approved for crown. I'm gonna let introduce him to you. What is your name?
Yes, and I'm here to get the crown done, and I'm going well, and appreciate the work that's being done. I perform.
Yeah, so we are very fortunate to have the VA approved for the crown here. Of course, it's missing half of the tooth, so I think we can get away without the root canal, but we'll see. So I'm gonna prep for crown. He doesn't have any space here, so this will be an abutment for the partial later. So before the crown, we want to select the shape first. So he is prepping for the crown now, but before that, we can then select the shape.
A1.
A1 is the shape for him.
So I'm gonna go ahead and start a crown prep for this one. This is a very straightforward prep.
You see in the screen here, his biting is actually, I was struggle a little bit on the biting here. But overall, I think it's no issue with the crown here. Okay, so the crown prep is done. So what I'm doing right now is I'm making back his temporary. And so let me do a final check on the crown. So clearing is pretty good. I was struggling with the clearing a little bit, but looked like it's really good clearing for a metal crown or porcelain metal. Undercut, it's really good. There's no undercut that I could see of. Very good. So I like it. It's ready to order. Okay, so we finished the prep. We got him temporary. How do you feel?
I feel great.
You feel good?
I appreciate the procedure and everything went well as you stated to the end.
You look so relaxed. Well, this is from the sedation, to be honest.
Yeah.
You're like so relaxed. What is this?